Hello loves, it's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious potato and sauce recipe. Guys, you're going to love this. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here I have Irish potato. Okay, so this is Irish potato. So make sure you wash it, then you peel it and cut it into shapes and sizes you want. So you can wash it again if need be. Then, like I said, you cut it into shapes you want. Here I have this cutter. Okay, so it will give me that shape of the cutter. Hope you guys are seeing that nice shape, or that nice design rather. So we are done with this. The next thing you're going to do is to salt it. Salt the potato, then make the salt go around the potato, and next heat up your cooking oil and fry. So the potato is done. Next, heat up your cooking oil and add your pepper and onion blend. So we're making pepper sauce to enjoy this potato with. Just an easy pepper sauce, guys. So fry for 3 minutes. Add seasoning cube, salt, then we give it a mix. So our pepper sauce is almost ready. So you can sprinkle some parsley flakes, that is optional. As you guys can see, our delicious potato and pepper sauce recipe is ready. Okay guys, it's a simple and easy recipe you can enjoy as breakfast. Okay, it's easy and easy as you guys can see. All right, so make sure you try it out and don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next one. Take good care of yourself and have a lovely day. Bye for now.